Okay, this is a video how to remove the master window switch on a 2006 Mercedes S500. You just reach in with your hand on the bottom of it and just kind of grab the corner of it and just pull it out, and then just pull it down and it will come out. There's no clips or there's no screws or anything holding it. So when you pull it out, you're trying to get it out of this clip right here. So once you pop it out of that, you just have to slide it down and it will come out of this one. And that's your plug there. You're gonna have to unplug it to fully remove it. And we already have the door panel off for a different reason, but you do not need to take off the door panel. So this is your master window switch.